I found Dory, Marlin. I found her. She's right there. I thought this was an aquarium, not a zoo. Why is there an aviary here, huh, people? Why there gotta be aviaries? Let's look for a couple of birds then, I guess. There's one right there. Maybe like 3 or something. Looks nice and majestic. Just hop along the way, little run. Just hop. Hop, hop, hop. Fly, my little buddies. Fly, fly, fly. Fly to the ever-lonely battles of the world. I saw a pooty cat right now.
There's Scarlet, turn your wrist side. Yeah, like. It's not gonna get on you. Oh!
Got anything to say, Scarlet?
Weird. Don't show my face. I'm taking a video, is it fine? In my hand.
Anything else you want to see?
There's a bird in my hand. Where's Joseph?
Right there next to Dad.
I don't know, I just got it from the cage. You. I'm not gonna put it out. Oh my god, that's so oh, so creepy, man!
I think it likes you, Scarlet.
Oh god.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Be good. Wait, Polly want a cracker?
Hey, Isaac, you do it.
No. I feel like I'm at Madagascar, you know, those movies. Difference is, these guys are real. The real penguins. Funny, huh?
Up in the Monterey Bay Aquarium, hey there, buddy. And we got 6 otters, 1 male and 5 females, lucky fella. And they range in ages from about 4 to 18 years old. 18 is pretty old for an otter, so you can see that our older ones are getting a little gray around their faces and heads. And then our younger ones are pretty brown and, oh, there we go, and pretty spry. Hey there. Shapes right on the here, okay? So whenever you guys
you can actually move it up just a little bit so you're right in front of me. We'll have to hold those shapes right above the water line.
So you can put right in here, and you can just hold them up there right now, right there, and right there. Just a little bit farther apart.
Yeah, that's perfect. So
Perfect, guys.
You can just hold that blue circle up just a tiny bit higher so you can see if that's perfect. So again, we have 2 shapes here. One of those shapes is Brooke shape. It's that blue circle. So I'm going to go ahead and send her over. She's going to take a look at those 2 shapes. And she's going to go right to that way. So I'll go ahead and give her some.
Bring the shapes down, and you're going to switch shapes. So just trade the shapes right there. And hold on, just one moment. Wait.
So I'm going to call Brooke back.
Show Joseph.
Okay, put the shapes right back up on the line there. Great job. A little bit farther apart.
I'm going to send her back over. And it looks like we could.
Yay!
Circle again.
That was close.
Now, like I said, this is an important behavior for Brooke because it's a mentally stimulating behavior. It's also an important behavior because it tells us a little bit
Shaky cam.
about, it tells us about how well they're able to use that sense of sight. And we can think about